Looking for a heavy-duty machining solution that is ready to perform? Introducing the Hartfort HCMC-1682, a robust vertical machining center, now available at Confidence Automation and ready on our shop floor for demonstration and production. The HCMC-1682 is built for high-productivity machining of large and heavy components, where rigidity, stability, and reliable performance matter. With its large working envelope, vertical machining configuration, and robust construction, this machine is well suited for demanding applications such as automotive components, engineering components, castings, housings, and heavy-duty production machining. The vertical configuration provides excellent chip evacuation and allows efficient machining of multiple faces of a component, helping reduce setups and improve productivity. The machine is designed to deliver the combination of rigidity, accuracy, and production efficiency that manufacturers expect from a serious machining center. And the best part? This is not just a machine sitting in a catalog. The Hartfort HCMC-1682 is physically available at Confidence Automation, shop floor ready and available for inspection, trial machining, and demonstration. You can see the machine, evaluate its condition, test your component, and experience its performance before making your decision. At Confidence Automation, we don't just sell machines, we bring proven machines back to productive life. If you're looking for a reliable horizontal machining solution, come to our shop floor and see the Hartfort HCMC-1682 perform. Hartfort HCMC-1682